It's Richard again here with ShowerDoorHelp.com. I just want to kind of go over how you would take and remove your sweep for your European frameless shower door. Pretty simple. You just basically slide it off like that. You can slide it right back on if you want to, but so if for cleaning purposes or whatever, replacement purposes, you just pop it off. You can take it and go ahead and clean it up and just pop it right back on like I showed you there. So we got our new sweep here. One thing that you might want to do, and of course this is a door that hasn't been used or will be used because it's a showroom door. The actual glass can be kind of, I don't know, it can collect minerals and things like that, and you might want to clean this bottom part off once you get the sweep off before you put your new one on. We always recommend that. You can actually do a now brand new razor blade that's never been used. And you just go ahead, slip it on the bottom of the door like this, and bring it on up, and there you go.